This gadget, BTP gadget.
Start.
So this BTP gadget is roughly divided in 3 parts. So the first part is insight, second part is approach part, and third part is medium part. Now let's go one by one. Initially, you will form teams. You'll get to know about what is the problem that you are dealing with, and once you know what exactly is the problem, and you will be doing a lot of surveys. Now, how you want to do surveys, that is up to you. Lot of different options are already provided to you. So you will be doing some surveys, and from surveys you will have some key insight about people's behavior. Why people are not following rules? Already there are these laws put up by department, but why people are not following those rules? So through surveys you will get a few key insights. Now as a group, you will decide which insights you want to concentrate on.
What does surveys mean?
Surveys means you will have a questionnaire, you will have a set of questions, and you will take those set of questions and ask people what is their opinion about those questions.
So is it some kind of interviewing of a different kind of people?
Yes, it is. You can say it is kind of interviewing. Again, you can maybe give answers to the questions. You can create question and answers. You can maybe just ask questions as interviewer, and then keep it open question. Let the people share whatever they feel about that question. So you can have the interview in various ways. And then once you take this survey of various people, you will get these 2 to 3 key insights, and you will be focusing on those key insights. Now the next part which I say is...
sorry, want to interrupt.
Sure.
What do you mean by insights? Can you give some kind of examples?
Yeah, so key insight means the insight you may find could be people are not at all aware of this law of driving and mobile cannot happen together. Or people may not be aware that even hands-free is not allowed when you are driving. So maybe people are not at all aware of this law. Second key insight, maybe it could be people know about this law, but because of this rush of urban life, they still have to use mobile phones when they are driving. Or third insight could be they don't care about the law. It's okay if police department catches us, we'll pay the fine and we'll still continue talking over phone while driving. So there could be such different key insights which might come out when you actually interview different people. So once you have these key insights, you will move to the second stage, that is different approaches. Now when you are handling any problem, there could be so many approaches you can take, right? So for example, in this particular case, you may want to scare people, you may want to show pictures where 2 cars have bumped into each other and both cars are completely crashed, people are bleeding. I mean, you can scare them to hell. That could be one approach. Another approach can be caring. So for example, you can have hoarding, which can say someone is waiting for you at home. So there could be so many different approaches. Again, once you go into the project, once you go into the gadget, there are already various approaches mentioned. So there could be